Many business executives will tell you that culture is one of your most important things. Culture, or corporate culture, is one of your secret weapons. And that actually is very true. Hello, everyone. I'm Michael Zeischer, and this is the 32nd in a series of short videos designed to help entrepreneurs and small company executives succeed. So let's take a look at our introductory slide. Our introductory slide actually tells us everything that we're going to talk in this video, and that is that your corporate culture is your secret weapon. So what is culture? Even though there are many specialized definitions, I'm going to give you a real easy one. Culture is how we do things around here. We're going to divide culture into two parts, formal and informal. Formal culture is something that you think about like your bones. This is your basis. However, the informal culture is going to be like your muscles. Your muscles are going to be what is going to allow you to move and to get things done. So let's go into the formal culture first and take a look at what we can glean from formal culture. Well, all of the rules and regulations that you have set up as corporate governance, that is part of your formal culture. All the things that you need to do in order to do regulatory approvals, whether they happen to be from industry or whether they happen to be from the government. You need to have a whole series of rules and regulations based on your regulatory environment, and that is part of your formal culture. And third is your competitive advantage, what it is that you're offering in the field, what is the market need and the market niche that you are looking at. And now let's take a look at the informal culture. This is a biggie, risk tolerance. In your startup or in your small company, how willing are you to accept risk? How much risk are you willing to give in order to get whatever benefit you're going to be looking at? Because you're going to be looking at things on a risk benefit analysis sort of thing. So whether it is you or whether it is your team, how much risk tolerance are you willing to accept? That is a major part of your informal culture. The other one also having to do with your team. Do you inculcate into your team a culture of ownership? Does your team feel that they are part and parcel of the company, not just merely employees? It's a big one. And the third, how do you recognize your personnel, your team, your A team? How do you recognize them? How do they know that they're going to advance in the company? How are they going to be rewarded for whatever it is that they're contributing to the organization? So those three, risk tolerance, culture of ownership, and personal recognition are the three major stays of the what we're going to call the informal culture. Well, another way of looking at it is culture is your personality. If you are the company founder, the culture of the company is actually mirroring your personality. Believe it or not, many times when you take a look at the owner and you analyze the owner and you analyze the culture of the company, they both go together. And so as a last slide, this is something that Peter Drucker said many, many years ago. which is very true, and that is that culture eats strategy for breakfast. Thank you very much. If you go to www.zeicherinstitute.com, you will see our webpage. We have 10 easy to follow recorded lectures complemented by hundreds of slides. If you purchase the online course, you will receive a complimentary copy of the complete transcript as a PDF. So you don't have to start writing anything. Everything about the course will be at your fingertips, thus allowing you to make a copy of the transcript. And in the website, you will find the entire lecture number 1 as a free gift, which is about 30 minutes in duration. So please do that, and I wish you the best of luck as an entrepreneur.